Click on the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Open it and go to System and Security. Now click on System. On Windows 11, click on Advanced System Settings on the right side. On Windows 10, click on Advanced System Settings. It appears on the left side. Once the window opens, go to the Advanced tab. Under the Performance section, click on Settings. Go to the Advanced tab again. Now click on Change under the Virtual Memory section. Uncheck the box that says Automatically Manage Paging File Size. Now select your primary disk, usually the C drive. Click on Custom Size. In the Initial Size box, type 4096. In the Maximum Size box, type 4096 as well. Click Set. Now, select your other drive if you have one. Click on No Paging File. Click Set again. Click OK and close everything. Now simply restart your PC. Once it boots back up, your GPU usage in games should be noticeably higher. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. Also, press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.